Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer subscription data from Chargify to HubSpot. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. To begin transferring your subscription data from Chargify to HubSpot, log into your Chargify account. Navigate to the subscription management section of your Chargify dashboard. Select the subscriptions you wish to transfer. Use the export feature to download your subscription data as a CSV file. Open the downloaded CSV file to review its contents. Ensure that all necessary fields are included, such as customer information and subscription details. Next, log into your HubSpot account. Go to the Contacts section in HubSpot. Locate the Import option available within the Contacts section. Select Import and then choose the CSV file you previously downloaded. Follow the prompts to map the fields from your CSV to HubSpot's properties. Pay close attention to ensure all data is accurately aligned. Once mapping is complete, proceed to finalize the import process. Wait for HubSpot to process the import and confirm that the data transfer is successful. After the import, review a sample of the imported data for accuracy. Make any necessary adjustments within HubSpot if required. Now your subscription data is successfully transferred from Chargify to HubSpot. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.